Okay, so we are here on the library website today to start doing our research for our research paper. Remember, we're doing animals. You should all have chosen an animal and have some research questions you're trying to answer. We're going to start off using Worldbook because remember, Worldbook gives us good basic information. We're going to use Worldbook Kids today, so go ahead and click on that. And once we're on the Worldbook page, we want to do something a little bit different than what we're used to. Normally we would come up and use the search bar, but today we're going to really start off right getting some good basic information. So we're going to come down here to where it says World of Animals, and we're going to click on that. I get this page, notice, and what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to browse to find my specific animal. The animal I'm looking for today is a reindeer. So I'm going to start off going to land mammals because I know that's what kind of animal my animal is. A reindeer is a land mammal. So I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to have to browse to find the animal. These are all in alphabetical order, so it does take me a little bit to get there. Looks like I went too far. Here we go. Here's my reindeer. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then I'm going to click on this link called Go to Reindeer Exhibit. The reason why I'm doing all this is because what this brings us to is a nice page of quick facts. These are good things for you to know about your animal right off the bat. And then you can use other sources to find more specific in-depth information. So you see right here we have its size, we have how long it lives, we have what type of food it eats, and these are all things that you would need to know for your research questions. So go ahead and get what information you need from this page. When you have done that, you can go ahead and look at the actual Worldbook article. You do that by coming over here to where it says View Article and clicking on it. From here, you get the Worldbook article that we're all used to seeing. Okay, so a couple things about this page. This is all the information. This is where we go to find what we're looking for. Learn what you need to know about your animal. If you decide this has useful information for you in it, you want to come over here to Tools. You want to go to Save to Google Drive, and you want to click on that, and that's going to go ahead and save this article to your Google Drive so that you can have it in the future. You won't have to come back to Worldbook and look it up again. You'll have the article itself saved to your drive. The other thing you're going to want to do before you leave is scroll down and get the MLA citation. Remember, this is how we show our work cited. This is how we prove that we have not plagiarized and that we have done our research, is we cite our work. You want to scroll down, come to the MLA citation, and copy this down because you're going to use this in your final paper. Once you have done all that and you've gotten the information that you need, you can go ahead and move on to your next source.